Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your iPhone is on iOS 14 or later and has Bluetooth enabled. Open Settings and check Bluetooth and location permissions for apps. Next, charge the My Watch above 50% and power it on before pairing. Finally, install Zeplife or Xiaomi Wear from the App Store and sign in with your Xiaomi account. Keep both devices within 3 feet of each other during the process. These steps avoid common connection failures and save time during pairing. Open Xiaomi Wear or Zeplife and tap Add Device to start pairing. Choose your specific My Watch model from the device list shown in the app. When the app prompts, confirm the Bluetooth connection and grant required permissions for location and notifications. The app will display a matching code on the iPhone and the watch. Tap Pair on the watch screen when the codes match to complete pairing. Wait for firmware sync and allow health and notification access when prompted to finish setup. If pairing fails, restart both devices and retry the process after 30 seconds. Reinstall the app if issues persist and attempt pairing again up to 3 times. Enable background app refresh and location for the Xiaomi app to ensure consistent notification delivery. Allow notification and health permissions when the app requests them for step tracking and call alerts. To sync workout and heart data, enable Apple Health Access inside Zeplife settings and run a manual sync. These steps resolve most connectivity and data syncing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.